So guys, I'm going to London today, and one of the things I really want to try today is to use this GoPro that I've just bought to vlog a little bit. I'm going to meet Ellie and Alex, and we're hopefully just gonna have coffee and walk around London and take some pictures. It's meant to be ridiculously warm today. It's meant to be like 18 degrees, and it's February, and it's 18 degrees Celsius. Blowing my mind. So that's why I don't have a coat on, but I don't even know if the audio is working on this, so we'll see how the GoPro works for God, I'm out of breath. I was just running. I thought I was gonna miss my train. So far I really like it. The stabilization on the HERO7 is really good. I'm gonna see how it performs for doing things like B-roll. I'm gonna try and just shoot on it only, this or my iPhone. I might do some photos on my camera, but otherwise all the video is gonna be on the GoPro or my iPhone. So wish me luck, guys. I'll see you down in London. Hey guys, so I made it to London. I'm just going to Half Cup where I'm meeting Ellie, and we're going to meet Alex a little bit later. I don't know how well the sound's holding up on this. I'm right next to a really busy road, so you might get loads of traffic noise. So far it's been really nice using this because the size is just tiny, so I can keep it in my pocket and get it out and do shots like this whenever I want, so that's proving to be really nice. But I'm gonna head over to the cafe and meet Ellie, and I will see you guys in just a little bit.
Are you open already?
This is how you open.
Okay.
He's opening as we speak.
That is a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's absolutely stunning.
Summer is here.
What do you think, guys? Cool, huh?
You don't expect to see a place like that in London.
So I managed to meet up with Ellie and Alex, and just to test how small and portable this GoPro is, we've come into literally the smallest place you could possibly vlog. Super tiny. It's like a little narrowboat. What's the name of it?
Ward on the water?
Ward on the Water. It's a bookshop on a narrowboat. It's super beautiful.
It's impossible. How can you put that in your mouth? Listen,
Yeah.
impossible.
They put the whole thing in their mouth.
Yeah, like that. And you just stand it like this.
Hey GoPro, stop recording.